College is a dream. It is our door to opportunity. But sometimes life closes that door. At Dallas College, faculty and staff take notice, and through generous donations, support reaches us when it matters most. Housing, childcare, transportation, food access, utilities, emergency expenses, the keys we need to keep going.